guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me vlog. I was not going to really do any type of cleaning videos, but you guys, can I just show you this real quick? All I have done is move my furniture, okay? You didn't miss much, that is it. But this is probably the nastiest my floor has ever been. This is, I don't even know what that is. This is disgusting. So you're wondering how my floor got this bad? I have a newborn. He is 9 weeks old, and to tell you the truth, my mind has been wrapped around my kids. I do have a 2.5-year-old little girl as well. She'll be 3 next month. So my mind has been in other places and definitely not on my house. So it is time to clean. I probably will just do like a deep clean of my living room area. And yeah, you guys wanted some cleaning motivation. I hope this gives it to you. So I'm moving everything just section by section. Since I have kids now, I don't want to move the whole furniture. Let's just get started because this is gross. Alright guys, first thing I'm going to do is tackle all of these little dust bunnies. I like vacuuming around, oh, there's a bobby pin, around my baseboards just because my vacuum doesn't do a good enough job, so the little one works a lot better. Oh, and another bobby pin. This is why I can never find my bobby pins. They're all over my house and not where they're supposed to be. But let me know how often you move your couches to vacuum because I definitely need to do it more often after this video. Alright, and yes, I use Method products. I actually use a mix of products. It just kind of depends on what I purchased at Target, and I mostly purchase whatever is on sale, to tell you the truth. I also do squats when I work out. I do any type of exercises wherever I can now because of the newborn and toddler running around. You just gotta get it in. And honestly, working out while you're cleaning your house is like such a metabolism booster, and you burn so many calories, it's not even funny. Like, definitely try it. Okay, so I was watching Chanel Angelina here on YouTube, and she purchased this scent. I saw it right before she mentioned it, but she said it smelled like a tropical cruise or vacation, and it smells good. I'm a huge coconut fan, but it didn't smell as good as I thought it was going to. I don't know, have you guys tried it? Maybe it's just me. When I hear tropical vacation, I kind of want it to smell like a pina colada, and it just didn't give me that scent. And my kid coming to bug me with a stick. Like, I'm trying to clean. Leave your sticks outside. But this vacuum is actually made so it has like a V shape, so it goes around like corners and furniture really well, but it just does not hit my baseboards that well. But I absolutely love it, especially because it's made for hardwood floors so it doesn't scratch my floors, and it's made for like pets because you guys will see in a minute, like my dog, she's a short-haired dog, but if you look at my house, like, you would not believe it. I don't even know what that mess was, but look how shiny my floor is now. Like, I just wanted to get this really cool angle to prove, like, yes, I cleaned my floors. And this is why I don't get dressed up. Like, I'm not even ashamed of my outfit. I wasn't even wearing a bra until I turned on the camera. Oh, my son's so cute. But yeah, this is how I look now with mom life and everything, and how I clean my house. And I don't have time to get all dressed up. And I almost slipped a couple times wearing those red house shoes, so I won't do that again, but I will definitely clean in my sweats again. Let me know, are you like a sweatpants type of cleaner, or do you have to get all dressed up to get motivated, or like workout gear? Like, let me know in the comments. That is a huge pile of crackers, you guys. Oh, I swear I'm cleaner than this. This is just newborn life. I'm just gonna blame it on newborn life because that is disgusting. These candles got so dusty. I absolutely love these candles, but honestly, I didn't even think about like cleaning them until, I don't know, just there was so much dust collected on the top of those candles. Like my house is just a dust factory. So I thought this would be like a really cool angle just to switch things up, and then I was like, this is so gross. When I said realistic, like you guys thought I was kidding. This is a realistic clean with me. Like there is no staging here, there is no joking around. My house was like, oh my gosh, it's just so filthy. I just needed a really good scrub. I do clean though, like daily. Like I vacuum daily, I do my dishes daily, like I do all the stuff you're supposed to. I just haven't had time to really get down and scrub, and I did not know it was that bad. Eventually, I do want to paint our baseboards and like our fireplace and everything, just because it needs a really good paint and there's like some chipping. And also, I think I want to do like a gray on the inside of the fireplace border. I don't know, I'm just into grays, but let me know what you think just to kind of spice it up. I'd love to do some molding around the fireplace too, like up above, but Eric doesn't like that idea. If you're new, Eric is my husband, and our house isn't really decorated the way we want it to be because we can't agree on most things, so it takes us forever. And of course my daughter tracks in dirt from outside, even though she's wearing shoes, and then she goes and climbs on the couch I just cleaned, so that's fun. Leave your favorite furniture stores in the comments below. Like I know a lot of people shop at IKEA, but is there any other places that you love to shop for affordable furniture and like home decor? I just love when she loves on me. Like I just have to take a second from whatever I'm doing when she wants hugs and just cuddle and give hugs. And then yes, I do watch YouTube videos while I clean. I actually watch YouTube videos more than I listen to music while I clean. But I picked like, I don't know, I was obviously in a Coachella vibe mood when I decided to edit this video. But I hope it like was high energy and it gave you motivation to like move some furniture and clean. Like if I'm gonna move some furniture, I need some real high energy music. But let me know what is your favorite music to listen to while you clean your house. Alright, this is what it kind of looks like now. Ignore her spoons, but I feel so much better that it's just like uncluttered or undusted, and yeah, you guys know, because that was disgusting. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more motivational videos, you can click the playlist down below, and if you're new and you want to subscribe, do so by hitting the circle icon. But as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.